Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Kohler toilet parts are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a functional and efficient bathroom, ensuring that your Kohler toilet continues to operate smoothly and reliably for years to come, preventing costly repairs and water wastage with high-quality replacements designed for a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. Number 5. Essential Values Flush Valve Seal for Kohler. Ensure a perfect, watertight seal every time with our high-quality flush valve seal. It's designed for long-lasting durability and performance. This seal is precisely compatible with Kohler KGP1059291 and other comparable brands. Its dimensions ensure a perfect fit for your toilet tank. Our improved gasket design features a special lip, making future removal and replacement a breeze. Save time and money without sacrificing quality. Don't let a poorly flushing toilet cause embarrassment. Each pack includes a set of 3 compatible seals to restore your toilet's flush power. These seals are a direct replacement for worn or cracked original seals. With an outside diameter of 3/3/8 inches, they offer a precise fit. This is an aftermarket replacement by Essential Values, offering a smarter design and reliable performance. Bring back the full power of your flush. What we like. This seal offers a durable, watertight connection for your Kohler toilet. Its improved lip design makes future replacements a breeze. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to restore your toilet's flushing power with multiple seals on hand, this is a great choice. What people say. The flush is powerful and consistent, clearing the bowl with ease. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The replacement part fit perfectly into my existing Kohler toilet without any modifications needed. Number 4. WINONLY 2-inch Universal Toilet Flapper. Introducing the WINONLY 2-inch Universal Toilet Flapper, designed for wide compatibility with most major toilet brands. Ensure a perfect fit by measuring your toilet's drain hole before purchase. Experience improved flushing with our highly efficient design that prevents ghost flushing in running toilets. The rust-proof stainless steel chain ensures durability and a reliable seal. Get your toilet running smoothly in minutes with our simple, tool-free installation process. Just follow a few easy steps to replace your old flapper. Crafted from high-quality, chlorine-resistant rubber, this flapper is built to last. It effectively conserves water, helping you reduce bills and stay environmentally conscious. We're here to help. Our product comes with detailed instructions, and we offer free consultations for any issues you may encounter. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This flapper is designed for broad compatibility with most 2-inch flush valve toilets. It helps prevent ghost flushing in running toilets, saving water. If you're a homeowner or landlord looking for an easy DIY fix to improve flushing efficiency and reduce water bills, this is an excellent option. What people say. The flush is powerful and efficient, clearing the bowl with a single flush. The replacement parts were a perfect fit for my existing Kohler toilet, making installation straightforward. The durable construction ensures these parts will last for a long time, providing reliable performance. Number 3. Kohler 844991B1X Conversion Kit. Is your older one-piece toilet tank not performing as it should? This conversion kit is designed to bring it back to life. Inside this box, you'll find everything you need. It includes the fill valve, flush valve, flapper, and all necessary gaskets. We've included all the essential components for your toilet tank. This ensures a seamless and complete upgrade. This kit is specifically made to be compatible with older-style one-piece toilets. It's the perfect solution for modernization. With all the parts included, installation is straightforward. Get your toilet tank working like new again with this comprehensive set. What we like. This kit provides all the essential components for your toilet tank, including the fill valve, flush valve, flapper, and gaskets. It's specifically designed for older, one-piece toilet models. If you have an older toilet that needs a comprehensive overhaul of its internal tank parts, this conversion kit is the perfect all-in-one solution. What people say. The flush is powerful and effective. Easy to install and works perfectly. Durable construction and good quality materials. Number 2. Kohler 121-6611 Canister Valve Assembly Service Kit. Ensure the longevity of your Kohler product with this genuine replacement part. It's engineered for optimal performance and lasting use. This is the Canister Valve Assembly Service Kit. It's designed to keep your unit running smoothly and efficiently. We've engineered this part to promote product longevity. You can count on it to last. Crafted with premium materials, this component offers enhanced durability. It's built to withstand regular use. Keep your Kohler system in top condition with this essential service kit. It's the reliable choice for maintenance. What we like. This is a genuine Kohler part, engineered with premium materials for enhanced durability and product longevity. If you prioritize using authentic manufacturer parts to ensure the best fit and longest lifespan for your Kohler toilet's internal mechanisms, this Canister Valve Assembly Service Kit is the ideal choice. What people say. The flush is powerful and effective, clearing the bowl with a single flush. The replacement parts fit perfectly and were easy to install, saving me time and hassle. Durable construction ensures these parts will last for a long time, providing excellent value. Number 1. Universal Metal Side Mount Toilet Handle Replacement Kit. Tired of a broken toilet handle? Our universal side mount design fits almost all brands, including Kohler and Glacier Bay. Please ensure your toilet is side mount before purchasing, as it's not designed for front mount use. Crafted with a solid brass handle and chrome-plated wrench, this lever is built to last. Its fine finish complements any bathroom decor and resists rust. This kit includes everything you need: a side-mount toilet flush handle and a stainless steel flapper chain. It's the perfect replacement for your old, worn-out toilet tank parts and helps prevent accidental flushing. The wrench is approximately 3.1 inches wide, and the lever is about 8.26 inches long. The included flapper chain is 13.9 inches and adjustable to fit any toilet tank perfectly. Replacing your toilet handle has never been easier. You can install this lever by hand in just minutes, no tools required. What we like. This toilet handle offers a universal side mount design and a durable, chrome-plated brass construction. It's designed for easy installation by hand in just minutes. If you're looking for a stylish and robust replacement lever that fits a wide range of toilet brands and is simple to install, this metal side mount handle is a fantastic pick. What people say. The flapper is a perfect fit and works great. Easy to install and fix the running toilet issue. High-quality material that seems durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.